we're live.
Alright.
So we need to go in and add, what'd you say, health system?
And health and damage we need.
Health
If
and
maybe-
damage. Okay.
Like,
Okay,
what
we
do-
also
like,
need, did we want to do stuff with hunger? With survival?
But health and damage should be the first priority.
Yep. Do
And hunger should
you...
come later.
I don't know how this is going to... Here, let's test something real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and add a bloop. Whoa. Hold on, OBS is glitching the fuck out. Let me not do game capture. I gotta do display capture. There we go. Display capture. Ooh, I lined this up almost perfectly too. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and okay, now they can see stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and make a blueprint and call this a actually, why are we doing it in here? We should do it in the third person character. Let's select third person character, and we can do we want to keep this character though? That's the thing.
The answer is, well, where's the third person character in this?
Well, it's side scroller character, so I'm just so used to doing third person stuff.
The side scroller character. So, is that just in like the side scroller VP or?
Yeah, so if you look on your top right, you'll see the world outliner, basically everything that's in the scene. You'll see side scroller character to the right of it. You can actually edit the blueprint.
Alright.
But the only bad thing with this is I don't know if we're going to keep this character.
We can change the model anytime we want. The model is the easy part to
Right,
change.
but you know the dynamic locomotion?
No,
I just showed you it in the test thing where you could jump and there's different animations. Yeah, exactly. That has its own blueprint.
Right, then we shouldn't keep this character. We should go with the other one then.
Okay, we could do that, or we could just go straight to mix them out.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do something like you. Like, were you just trying to create a blueprint to see if what happens?
Right, we should do that first. I'm gonna create a blueprint, and this isn't gonna stay, but we're just gonna call it health, right? I have it now. It's locked. I'm like, go into it.
Yep.
Go to the event graph.
About that.
What does it look like?
I don't have the event graph. Collision after. It's just.
It should see open full blueprint or whatever. It's highlighted blue with an underline.
Oh, yep, there it is.
Oh, this looks interesting. Yeah, hello.
I have
Boys
the event
here.
graph.
You do? I want you to drag off of event begin play and just put something in there. I want to see if it updates for me. If that's the case, then we can both look on it at the same time. So, boy, I don't know if you were there when I was explaining this, but me and Cameron and Nate's here too.
Nate's here.
At least is he still here? He's still here. He's just muted. We know game development. It's just been a long ass time.
It's been a while. I just wanted to get back in it, and I brought Tristan back into it now. Tristan.
Oh,
did you get it? Did you get the print string?
I forgot to tell you. One of the things is, let's say if you go back to the side scroller map, if you go to the map.
What?
Today is going to a football game.
Alright. If I go back to the map.
If you go back to the map and let's say I select the character, while I'm moving it, you can't move it. It's locked.
Oh, so if I do this, you can't. Oh wait, that's the wrong thing.
Actually, if you look on my Discord stream, you'll see that there's a lock on the health, but it's green because your character is green.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Because you're editing the health blueprint, it's
right?
Oh, it's locked by me.
It's locked by you because you're currently editing it. So whenever you're done, just save it and then I'll see if the changes have been changed.
I saved, I compiled, and then I how do I oh, there we go.
And now if I open it, and then I go to open full. Okay, what did you put there?
Just print string.
Okay, I don't have it.
Do you not?
No. So
Did I not save it? Let me.
I don't think I don't
have
think
it.
you persisted.
Oh no, I didn't persist it. You're right.
Gotta persist it.
Let me. Do
Also,
the,
don't do it so quickly, because I'd like to. Once you're done,
I just persisted it.
hit compile, go to file, save all, and then do persist. But it's not locked.
Alright. Let's
Did
do
you
it.
put the
Alright,
print
so
string back?
Compile print string. Alright. Go to save all.
Save all. I've got a
Yeah,
really
we're
good
just gonna do it
mic.
again.
It's the same mic as before. I'm just using a third-party program to make it sound better.
Persist, and there we go. I did it.
You did it. Is the
Yeah,
print string still there? Because
In my event graph, it is.
okay, because the thing is that it never locked, so you're gonna have to go ahead and delete it and do it. Here, you know what? I'm just gonna delete it. We have to make sure we get this down. That way we know the rest for the entire game. So, blueprint class actor. We're gonna call this same thing. Health. There you go. It's locked
I
by
have
me.
it right there. It's locked by you.
If I go into it and I go to the event graph and I drag off of begin play, does it say that I'm currently editing it?
It's locked by you. I don't know what it would say if you're currently editing it. It's just
Yeah.
locked right now. Locked
Okay.
by Tristan.
I'm gonna say compile. I'm gonna go to the side scroller map. I'm gonna say save all, and then I'm going to say source control persist changes. I'm going to persist. It's gonna say successfully persisted. I'm now going to close the health. Now open it. See if it's there.
I don't have it.
Well, first of all, it didn't. Oh, you know what? That's why.
What did we do wrong?
No, it was just something that I put down. It didn't show up. It showed up now. So you don't see the print string in there?
It's still. Oh wait, let me look again, shall we? I do not.
I don't know how to do this. If
Me either. Wait, do you have the print string there though still?
yeah,
Okay, what did it say?
ass,
What does it say?
ass.
It pops up on mine when I hit play.
Oh, so you can't edit the blueprint, but you can.
Oh, it's there. It's there now.
It's there now.
Yeah, it's there now. I hit play and it just popped up.
Okay,
And
here's the
then,
thing.
like,
I'm
I
gonna
went
let
back
you
into
do
the,
it. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit compile. I deleted it, by the way. I'm gonna hit compile, save all,
You
source
deleted
control,
help.
persist. No, I just deleted the print string. Now,
Alright.
now go back into it. Is it still there?
The print string when I go back into it is still there. Let's hit the
Play
play
button.
button
Yeah.
though. Let me hit play. It still is there.
Maybe it just takes time. We'll just
take
leave
a few
that there. We'll just
seconds.
leave that there, and we'll just wait.
Who was that? What was that?
What?
Hello? I just heard someone else's voice.
Nathan.
Nate?
Yeah, it might take a little bit to update.
Hey, Nate! Hi guys, oh Nate. I go good.
He's been here.
I've just been watching secretly.
It just updated.
It just
froze and
updated?
then did something,
Okay,
updated.
so
Yeah, that's right.
it
You're
should.
right, it takes a
we
bit
should
to
be good.
update, but there's nothing there. So what if I do it real quick and hit...
Yeah, we'll have you
Most
do
likely
it. Let
it's
me
probably-
open up the stream again.
Most likely it's
So,
probably gonna do the same thing.
so this I'm just gonna explain this for the stream because me and Cameron talked a lot before we even started streaming. We're gonna think about making a zombie survival game kind of similar to this War's Mine, but it's gonna be in a zombie kind of scenario, and it's gonna be
I'll
different,
say-
but it's
Lemonade, Colby.
okay. Did you just save?
I'm saving it all real quick,
Okay,
and then I'm doing
because
the persist.
something just happened on my end.
persist. There we go. Something happened. Yeah.
Alright,
The
and
instructions
then
are making
I'll
a
go
game.
into it.
Nate,
Hey! Hey, it worked immediate.
Put
Hello.
up a poll and ask your chat what flavor I should drink, lemonade or a raspberry.
There's only
I
one
just say
person here,
lemonade.
so I'll just let them answer
One
that.
person.
Chat aside.
Just
Alright,
try your glitch.
so- Hey, Cam.
Yeah.
It worked
Did it
immediately
work?
for me, because I think I'm the host.
I think that may be it too.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this because this isn't gonna be the health. That's not how Unreal Engine works. We're not gonna put the health there. Delete that. Yes, force delete it.
Hell
Okay,
everywhere.
don't do that. Alright. Oh, they said raspberry.
Colby! Raspberry! There we go.
Alright, so should we could change the side scroller character to be going back to what we were doing before. Now that we know how to save properly and everything, what is going on? I think it just periodically saves. Do we want to change the side scroller character to be like a different character? We could do the dynamic locomotion, or we could do Mixamo, which Mixamo has a lot of different other animations. It's up to you.
I'd say we do the I'd say we trying to think here, because Mixamo, you're right, does have a lot of animations. Just like how you can like add a bunch of models. Colby's like just doing like
Jackson, y'all.
it's like dancing while shaking something. But imagine shut up!
Welcome.
Are those thriller dance models?
Yes,
Yep,
the Thriller
remember
dance
this?
models. Those are the best dance models ever. You can just make anything do.
Alright, so we're gonna do.
I say Mixamo. I say we do Mixamo.
Okay, so there's certain things that we can do with this. Let's. What character do we want to like play as? There's a lot of different characters here. This is quite a bit distracting. I kind of want. Do we have like an idol? Let's get like an idol going on here. Yeah,
What we
like
looking
an
at
idol.
was distracting.
The thriller. Alright, so
Oh, are you like showing what it is for the? Oh, there it is.
yeah,
I'm sorry,
yeah.
Alright, let's see. Shall
Okay,
we?
let's just do idol. We'll do that idol. That idol looks better. Alright, so let me get rid of this. Alright, so what kind of player character do we want?
I think we should just like do something not that much facial features or something like that. Like,
Mm-hmm.
well,
Well, all of these. I mean, we can do
Yeah.
cartoon, but I don't know.
that's not too good. Is that just a mouse?
No, it's not a mouse, Cameron. I think you just insulted that person.
Mousey. Like 3 of them that row.
Like, there's just a lot of random
Oh,
people in
hey.
here.
I got a crash report.
Oh, you did?
Awesome. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, you're
It's
gone.
loading back in.
It's okay.
Wait, what?
Oh, there you are. Whoa.
Am I back in? What? Oh, I loaded into the, since I have the example map and everything.
Yeah.
Right? I have the health. When I join back the session, I have the, health thing still. The blueprint. Oh, what is it doing? It's stuck at. I think I froze it, Tristan.
I think lots of issues are going on. Tom and Jerry. I don't think okay, so all the Mixamo characters are their own characters. I don't think they're allowed to use anything from other things. So I don't think that's even a thing that we can do. Like, these are their own models. They haven't actually gone outside, and I can't look up fucking Sarah from The Last of Us
There we go.
and put it in. And I don't
There
think
we
that's
go.
how it works.
Am I in?
Yeah, you're in.
Oh, yeah, there you are. Alright, there we go.
Is health still there?
No, health is not still there.
Good. Good.
I say we, I do like that one.
Yeah. Well, are we playing as like a SWAT guy,
That's
or
gonna
are we Or are we
don't
playing
have
as
even,
a?
like a story. We just have like survival.
Yeah.
Type in survivor actually. Can you like type in like a
True.
survivor?
I don't know. I think there's supposed to be more here because it's not. That's not a survivor. Well, there's also the. Oh, I don't know if that would that work. I don't know if I want to go through with all that. Because on Epic Games, Epic Games closed because it's. Give me a second.
The launcher closed.
Yeah,
You have the
because
store,
was
right?
open.
Marketplace.
Well, there's the 3D models, and the 3D models look pretty nice. But I would have I'd have to grab the 3D models, export them as an FBX, and then I'd have to put them into Mixamo.
Mixamo, which is harder. Last time we did it, we had to
It's-
literally
Yeah.
manually do it all. I'm gonna actually hop on Mixamo and look, see if there is one, right?
Yeah.
And then I'll then if I got the
This
name
one's
for
nice.
it, I'll just send it, like tell you what it is.
That doesn't actually fit the kind of scenario we're
Mixamo.
thinking.
Oh, I got a characters. That's what we wanted.
You know what I'm really not looking forward to?
What?
I'm really not looking forward to making certain outfits for the thing.
What do you mean?
Well, you know, it's just really difficult to add a mesh onto an already made.
I know. Yeah.
The mouse. I don't see a mouse here.
Colby, you turn it down.
Was it here?
You come shut
Oh, it wasn't here.
passive marker man. What? Sorry, that was just funny.
Alex. Alex seems pretty cool. I feel like we just need like a regular dude. Just a regular guy to start
Why?
with. We can change it at any point. It's just kind of.
Should we do Brian or Adam?
I don't know who they look like. What page is that on?
literally- I'm on page 2. Adam's literally just a guy with like a beard and like sweats and a sweatshirt. That's literally all Adam is. Just like a white or gray sweats and stuff.
Okay, I found Oh! Wait a minute. Brian. This guy looks like the fucking guy from Lunch Lady.
Yeah.
This is the guy from Lunch Lady.
Yeah.
Let's
Brian,
steal
you
him.
Sophie, you got Adam.
I feel like we should steal him. I
Jasper.
think that'd be really funny. Oh yeah, this is the girl from Lunch Lady too.
Isn't like
Wait, hold on. Lunch Lady is a paid game. They have some licensing issues over there.
Susie, Steve?
Talking about Sue. Fucking let's sue him. Well, let's not do that. Should we steal Brian? I'm kind of thinking Brian.
I'd say
I kind of like Brian.
No,
I like Brian. It's
I
nice.
thought that said Derek. It was Drake.
I'm gonna have you look at what I'm about to do because it's kind of. I just have to FB. We have to choose an animation that we want for like an idol. Let's see.
I'm just looking at yours.
I don't know. That seems too generic. That seems too feminine.
Idea.
Kneeling needle. Standing idol. Here we go.
Standing idol.
This one's not bad.
It's not bad. Even the idol all the way on the right there. Middle right. If you skip, right there. That one isn't too bad either. Just like looking around.
Yeah,
Or the,
another thing that we could do is we could have multiple idols and we can have a blend
Yeah.
space
Then you
that
can have them just like blend.
I
right?
feel really bad for anyone who's watching that's not into game development because they will not know anything that we say.
Because you got the crouch to stand. You got each.
Is this the
that
same
idol,
one?
which I think it is.
I think it's a little bit more exaggerated.
Yeah.
Let's get like maybe just a regular stand
I think that
and
one's
then
good.
yeah, we can do this one. Alright, so
Yeah.
basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download it, FBX, and I don't know what's incriminating on my computer as terms of IP and stuff, but I'm just gonna do this.
I don't know what's incriminating on my computer.
Wink, wink. Alright.
Yeah.
Idle FBX is
Colby,
downloading.
you want pizza?
I want pizza. Oh, is the stream down?
Stream down? I don't know.
Nope, stream's back up. Cool.
It's good. We're trying to think of things for dinner, Colby, because it's just me and you.
Okay, this can be closed. I don't need that in my life right now. Okay, Mixamo. Let's get rid of all of this. Here, I'm gonna let you see this, Cameron.
I'm already looking.
Right, but you're not actually seen because it's on my little display. Here we go. So this can go here. Let's give it. Okay. Okay. This, you know, my, you know, off time look. All right. So. So I have that. So with the Mixamo, I just kind of have to create. Oops. No, there we go. So I can go like this. Do this. Say Mixamo base. You don't need to do any of this because it's gonna happen with both of us. Paste this. Rename it as Mixamo base. There we go. So now all I have to do is I'm gonna put this back over there, and then I'm gonna go into here,
Right there.
and then let's make a new folder in here. Should I? I think I can. Hold on, let me put my display back up. So let's go in here. We'll make a new folder and call this characters, because I'm sure we'll have multiple character.
More. What's your other folder you have in there, by the way?
Free furniture pack. I didn't add that in here.
Oh, I don't have.
I'm gonna.
I was like,
Nathan?
I don't have that.
Nathan, is that you? Did I crash?
Nate, did you do it? How dare you?
Hello, Nathan. Kevin.
Also, I'm gonna go get pizza, so I'm gonna leave the call.
Hi.
Hello. Can anyone hear?
Hi. Hello? Kristen?
Hello.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Hello? Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Wait, talk now.
Hello. This is why I don't.
Talk again.
God, the Unreal Engine.
Kristen?
Hello. I'm talking. We just have to wait. We just have to wait out. I don't. Wow, it's so laggy. It's so laggy.
What are you doing? What?
I clicked delete on the folder. You didn't.
Tristan,
Oh.
can you hear me?
Oh, hello.
Hi. What do you mean?
Oh my God.
On the folder that I didn't have. I heard
Well,
you typing it.
You heard me the entire fucking time.
I was talking to you.
I heard you.
I said, Tristan, I can hear you and I can't. Like you were cutting in and out.
I was like, Cameron, can you hear me? And I got no response. And you're like, hello, can you hear me? I'm like, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
And then I said, yeah, I can hear you.
I didn't hear that part. Okay,
Alright,
it doesn't matter.
There we
Let's
go.
just continue with what we were doing. The
Yes,
laggy as fuck. Listen, this is the Unreal Engine. Alright, anything is possible with the Unreal Engine, even if it comes out of the Unreal Engine and into my stream.
Yeah.
So in my inside my characters, what?
Alright, inside the characters, what?
Yeah, Mixamo base. Oh, I can't have spaces. Mixamo base. Okay, inside the Mixamo base. Hold on. Let me just make sure. I just gonna make sure. I do this. Gonna drag and drop that. Okay. So with this as the Mixamo base, what I need to do is I need to import the skeletal mesh, import the mesh, not the skeleton though, because the skeleton is going to automatically be applied. What I do need to do is click on this for some different reasons, and I think this should be good, and just do import all. We just wait. Hello.
There we go. I have the entire thing now. That's good. Tristan?
Hello.
Oh no. Hello, how's it going?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I have the
Oh no.
body.
Oh no.
Material. No. I don't know if you heard any of that.
I didn't.
Alright. I think I figured out why it lags at times.
No, I know the reason why I lag sometimes.
Is it because it's trying to like import it to mine too?
No, it's because it's just trying to import it. Just in general.
Yep. Alright, so I have the folders now.
Now
have
I
the
think
Mixamo
I know
base
why
and
people
stuff.
don't stream the Unreal Engine. Alright. Okay.
Yeah, I think I know why too. Oh my
Okay.
god. It's all just appearing in the folder. We're good.
Nice. Okay. So, if I just suddenly start cutting out, it's because I'm doing something on my end, okay? Just get that
Alright.
straight. Same thing for the stream. If it just randomly starts lagging, it's out of my control. Alright, so now that I have the character, that's the Mixamo base. I am now going to make an animation folder. So, well, no. Yeah, I'll have mesh.
You gotta make a mesh folder?
Make a mesh folder. Do you know what meshes are?
Yes, I know what meshes are.
Good.
At times.
Okay. Think of it as the actual object of something.
Yep.
So in this case, it'd be the characters. But then I'm going to make an anim folder, which stands for animation. And then inside the animation folder, I can now get the other fun stuff. So I have idle. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop that in. There you go. And
Yeah,
this
I'm just
time
gonna wait for
I'm
it to
not
import.
going. This time I'm not going to import the mesh, but I am going to select the skeleton of the base that I just put in. And I'm going to say convert scene unit. I think. And then I'm going to just say import. Here we go. So now I have the animation that I need, which is here. Wait, this isn't even. It's not animating. Oh, here we go. This is the animation of it. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and rename this to be idle. And I know the character looks like this, but this is actually the animation without like the skin. If I wanted to, I could totally get an entirely new Mixamo character and just replace him. So I'm just gonna let that be said. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the side scroller character. Are you with me?
Am I with you?
You alright, sure. And then go to viewport.
Alright, I'm just watching on the Discord
Yeah,
to see what
and
you're doing.
I'm going to select the mannequin. Which I'm just gonna hit play real quick. That way they know what I'm doing. So in
Yeah.
here, I'm able to kind of, jump
around,
around and
jump
move
and everything.
around. So I'm just going to change the character. And to do that, I have to click on the skeletal mesh and I have to change it to, let's say, the Mixmo base, which is our character. Which it looks like our character is a little bit smaller. So I'm going to say compile, and then I'm going to do file save all. Is it lagging?
Saving.
Oh, we're good.
It's done.
Cool. I'm going to do persist changes. Persist.
Yeah.
I made a lot of changes. All right.
Yeah.
And now I'm gonna hit play, and we'll see if it works. Now, and we have not set up the animation yet. This is just the character. So this is what it will look like. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. So the reason why that is doing that is because we haven't changed the blend space. The blend space says whenever I change direction, it does a certain animation, which is why that animation is still the same. Which we're gonna make our own blend space and stuff like that. Cameron, if you want, while I'm doing this, you can go and make a health system.
Yeah, definitely make
Or a
it-
hunger system, whatever you want. I'm going to quickly just try to set up an animation. I'm going to try to explain it to the best of my ability. Probably not going to happen. Because this trying to explain the Unreal Engine is mind-boggling. So let me go to animation. Something that I can actually do is I could go into here and I could select. Well, by the way, Cameron, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to my stream.
I know. I just like.
Dude, nice voice changer. Oh my god, Cameron. Oh, Cameron. You're hurting my ears. Your voice is very, well, not right. You should probably leave and come back. No, stop it. Please leave and come back. Oh my god, I'm going to turn them down. It's hurting my ears. Okay, we're good. Hello? I didn't fix. Oh my god, you sound like an old woman that has a hole in her throat, but she needs to have like that like aid in there or whatever. Okay, so whatever. So what I could do is I could change from animation blueprint to the asset, and I can just select the asset, which in this case is the idle. And so now I can hit compile. You can see that the idle is going. But the problem with doing it this way is, of course, it looks good here, but as soon as you start moving, what the fuck, right? That's why we use blend spaces. Blend spaces are also, well, animation blueprints. Blend spaces are more of like a walk to run, that kind of stuff. It's kind of confusing. But what we need to do is we need to make an animation blueprint, which it's been a long time since I've ever made an animation blueprint, so we will just see how that goes. So I'm going to go in characters, Mixmo base, which I should probably just change this to, let's rename this to the actual like character. So the main character, I don't know what main character we're going to name him, so I'm not going to rename it at all. So in here, I'm going to make a blueprint. Now this blueprint is going to be, where is it? Animation blueprint. Here we go. And we're going to select the Mixmo base skeleton, I think. The parent class is going to be nothing. Oops. Oh, that didn't fucking work. Let's try that again. Animation. Mixmo skeleton. Just say okay. And this is going to be anim BP base. If you ever see BP, BP stands for blueprint. Blueprints are this stuff. These are events, these are functions. This is saying whenever the character moves right, it then does this function, which is move right. So whenever they press move right, it'll move right. Or whenever they press jump, it will jump, which in this case, this actually means spacebar because that's what the input action is. Input touch. I don't know what that is. If I want, I could check by going to project settings. So for 2 years, I've worked with the Unreal Engine, and I'm still like not really knowing what the fuck to do. And go to input, and I can go to action mappings, jump. All right, cool. I don't have a touch in there, so sure. So touch means that you can. Oh, okay. So this is a different kind of click. So this means that whenever you press jump, it will jump. This means if you hold jump, it will jump, and if you let go of jump, then it will stop jumping. So I think that means that if I just kind of hold space, no, okay, it doesn't stop jumping. I think I have to set that up. But basically, this is very useful for, let's say you want a toggle run. You press left shift, it runs. Or if you want a hold and release, then it would be like a hold shift to run, release it to stop running kind of thing. Okay, where did my, there it is. So it's in here. I'm gonna go inside my blueprint. Now it's been a long time since I've done anything with this, a very long time. So I'll just see if I can even do it. So the result is basically the output pose of which is going to happen. Right now it's a T pose. If I want, I can make oh god, I probably should look up a tutorial, huh? God, it's just been so long. Like I could probably do, oh god, it's still messed up. Very, very messed up. Go to asset browser. It's easy to do it this way. I can just kind of put idle in here and say this. And now if I do that and I say compile, as you can see, it'll just play idle. Will it loop? I don't know. Well, I guess we'll find out. It loops. But something we need to do is we need to set up a bunch of different variables, as if like here, for instance, I can go inside the side scroller BP, which is the character, go inside blueprints, go inside, oh wait, it's not in there. Where's the animation for him? There's the character and stuff, but there's not. Hello? It's fixed.
Hello. I went and grabbed Colby.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah.
Hi.
No, on my screen, the character itself is just there's no like color to it or anything.
The
Black.
textures haven't loaded in.
Yeah, it's like the natural gray.
Okay. I'm not sure what to tell you about that. I think you might just have to relog
I
for it
did.
to apply. You did? Oh.
I
Well-
literally went out of all of it because I'm gonna have to tutorial in health, like see if there's a simple health system thing.
You know how to do health?
I don't remember how to do health. I remember I did it before.
I remember how to do health.
long. You know how to do health?
Yeah.
You do. I'm just gonna go down. Just gonna go here.
I mean, I know like the basis of it. Like I
Yeah,
know how
but then,
to
like-
make the variable. I know how to set it to be a float. I know how to say, oh, this is the default. Now the tricky part is getting it to appear on the screen with the UI widgets. That's the tricky
Yeah.
part.
I remember how to do that. Like I remember how to make the widgets and like the UI stuff. It's been so long. That's the thing why I was like, I may have to put the tutorial
Yep.
just for a
If you
simple
need to
health.
do that, you can. I'm actually probably going to be looking up an animation tutorial. Well, I'm trying to look at the thing, and it's not working out. Hold on.
Just remember, we promised Nate to play GTA tonight too. Right? Tristan? Oh.
Oh, did it not come in when I said hold on. What were you saying?
As in, remember, later tonight we gotta do the heist in GTA, Nate.
Definitely. Guess what I'm eating for tonight?
What?
Tacos.
You mother... I want tacos.
I'm just happy I got tacos. I think it's since my niece is over. They always have tacos when my niece is over. I'm just like, you should come over more often. That's great.
Ordering Domino's.
Hey man,
Yeah, see what
pizza's up there too.
Pizza is up there. What about spaghetti tacos?
Maybe I should close some of my tabs out.
I like how
I
you don't
can't.
even like.
I can't close any of my tabs out. Sorry, what were you saying?
I like how you don't even like.
I wasn't listening.
Exactly. I said spaghetti tacos.
Yeah, I've heard those are a thing.
Yeah, my Carly.
Something that I don't agree with is fish tacos. Don't like it.
Yeah.
It's not good.
I hate.
It's not good.
I don't like
Tried it.
fish and-
Tried it. It wasn't good. Let me switch my account to Zeus Express instead of Zeus Uploads.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna look up UE4. Actually, no, I'm gonna show this on the screen. UE4 Polo engine key to open door. What? Okay. UE4 animation blueprint. Oh, I forgot about the jump loops. Alright, we need to get like jumps and jump loops and stuff like that.
Mhm.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay, so I know this part. So basically what we need is we need a jump start, a jump loop, and a jump end. Now, basically how these works is the jump start, by the way, I'm talking to my stream. The jump start is when you first jump, and then jump loop is while you're in the air, and it could be whatever, falling or whatever. And then the jump end is when you actually land on the ground. Now, the reason why we split them up into 3 is because if you say jump and you jump and then land, what if you land while still in the air? Because the animation time is different. To account for if you're still in the air, you have to do a jump loop. It's going to make more sense when I actually do it, but it's going to be the same thing with idle to walk. Actually, you don't even need an idle to walk because blend spaces are a thing. They're great. They'll make the animation for you. We need a walk and a run at least.
I'll be do it now.
Okay. So basically what this needs to do is this needs to be a, should we do jumps right now or we'll just follow the tutorial? How about that? How to make animation blueprints and blend spaces. See, these are kind of, this is kind of walking jump. Yeah, we don't need that. We just kind of need a simple one.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. Today we have to create an animation blueprint and also animation. You had to create a character.
We're playing GTA later, by the way. That's what he was talking about. Okay.
Male 1 skeleton. Click that.
Yeah.
Here. Score. Use state machine. What this does
State
is-
machine. Got it. I knew they had some technical terms and stuff, but okay. So we're going to get rid of this because that was just an example. State machine. There we go. Compile that. You're gonna go back to T-posing.
It allows us to add in all the different animations in there and the
Had to double click it, right?
instead of just having one single animation in here. Then hook it up and call whatever you want. I'm just going to call it firefighter male state machine, and then open it up like so. And here you can see you have the entry point, and we can put the
Okay. Well, I'm not gonna call it that because I know what I'm gonna be putting in here. What I would do is idle. Walk. Run. Jump. This is gonna handle all of those, maybe even more.
different animations in here. So drag off the entry point and add a new state. I'm going to call this idle and drag off.
Exactly. Oh, look at this. This is all my content. Nice. Didn't mean to do that. Alright, so jump. Go inside here. So he did state. So here, add state, and he said idle. And then put that like right there. This is gonna go to you. And then we need, I know we need a jump to be intersecting the two, but
The idle adds a new state again. I'm going to call this one walk and run.
yeah, that's what I thought. I was thinking that I needed something for the blend space. So over here is going to be actually the blend space. So I'm not going to do exactly what he did. I'm just going to do state and then walk / run, because that's what the blend space is going to be. Which again, blend spaces, we'll get into those. I'm not going to do a full Unreal tutorial, but
Add another state and call it jump. And then, as you can obviously tell, this is going to have the idle animation in, this will have the walk and run animations, and this will have the jump animation. And these arrows are the transitions between them, so you...
yeah, I remember this. Add a state, jump. Now what's really cool is that you can modify the transitions between them, so I can click into here and I
I'm
can
back.
do stuff. Hello.
I was just ordering dinner.
Alright.
So
So
I'm gonna look up. We're in 2.5, aren't we?
two
No, 4.5.
yeah, 4.5. I think. Give me a second.
I don't even know anymore.
We're in 4.25. It shouldn't matter. Just do UE4. Anything with Unreal Engine 4 is going to be the same. Pretty much.
Got it.
It's just bug fixes and stuff from then on. How do I'd like to... Oh, there we go. Wait, no. Ah, here we go. Okay. So basically the transition in here is going to specify, are you in air? And if you are in air, that's when it's going to say jump, and then it's going to go to walk, run. Now inside jump is when we're going to actually start animating the start jump, the jump loop, and then the jump end, which Mixamo probably has. Let's go ahead and start getting that kind of stuff already ready. So if I do a walk, we have a bunch of different stuff in here.
You won't hear this, will you? If I like play a video.
I shouldn't.
All right.
Yeah, so start walking. Yeah. Yeah, idle to sprint. This is for way more complex stuff. So that way, if you just completely went into from idle immediately to sprint, we don't need that though. We're just gonna do start walking. Oh, I will be right back.
All right. Mm-hmm.
Hello?
Hi.
I'm back. I got tacos.
Alright, cool. I'm just looking at this. Maybe,
So, do you want to show your screen? That way, while I'm eating, they have something to watch. Which that's why my my webcam is so tiny, because there's just nothing I can do here that would cover everything up. Okay, so
I'm sorry. I'm trying to figure out where some of this stuff is because my thing's weird.
show me your screen.
Different characters.
Show me your screen. Screen your
Alright.
share right now.
Alright, look here. Give me a sec. I don't know if which one I'm sharing.
Just your screen.
Just my screen?
Just your screen.
Alright, you'll see my porn.
Okay. I'm not okay with that.
I'm literally watching this right now and I'm trying to figure out where to put the, cause it's in the character thing and I'm in the character blueprint right now, right? For the thing, the side scroller character cell. Alright, let's do it here then. Alright, I'm ready to.
I'm gonna exit it because you can't get in it.
What, in here?
Inside the side scroller animation character, whatever.
I was in the character, I'm already in it. Heck, I'm making stuff already.
Wait, you're. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What?
I closed the character tab and. Okay. Alright, we're good. A-okay. That's what I used to say back in the day.
Alright, damageable. I just couldn't read it. I just could not read it. What even? Alright, so what did he do? Alright, that's what it was. It was a blueprint blueprint interface.
I'm gonna help him real
If
quick.
I have to. You gonna what?
I'm gonna help you real quick.
Go right ahead. Cause I wish I had a way to do this.
Oh, my camera's covering it up. It's fine.
Open it.
Because we're doing widgets, they like 0 from 1, and then anything between is a percentage. So the default value of the health is going to be 1 for full health. Okay. There is now a health available inside the side scroller character.
Oh, there was one. I went over it. It told me to make a float. It told me to make a float of it.
There might be 2 of them.
Alright.
I thought I was helping because I didn't see it in there. Okay.
Thank the Lord for tutorials at times. Without them, I would have had nowhere in game like my memory sucks.
Hi, boy. Boy's back. This is Cameron's screen because I'm eating.
Yeah. File here. Jeez, I forgot I have it here. Class settings. Alright. Do it.
I also wanted to say for my stream, it's not gonna happen overnight. Game development is a very big process, so expect there to be fucking probably like 100 ass streams.
Fun. Got it. I forget if it was get or set health. It was get. It was
Both.
get. It was,
Oh, from the
yeah,
video. Yeah. I
yeah,
was like,
but-
well, you're gonna need both of them.
Yeah, and then a set. That's what it was.
Now, how much do you? Oh, I see.
What?
So we have 1 health, technically.
Yeah.
So what percent of the health do we want to? Well, I get no. The damage is probably going to be depicted on the enemy, right?
Probably. More likely.
We should probably set it to a base number to start off with.
Yeah.
What percentage do you
Like-
want from it to take? Like
Start off like 10.
like 10%, right? So we could say the damage would be 0.1.
Yeah.
That would do 10% of 1.
Did I not do that right? Alright. Yeah. I'm on my bed too, so I'm just trying to move everything so I don't lose. Alright. Yeah, it's just.
Cameron?
Yes, what's up? Hello.
Oh, he's doing
didn't do it.
100?
He's doing 100. I'm just following it. I can change it later.
Okay. Because widgets sometimes don't like 100.
Damage actor. Oh, that's what he's doing. Got it. Compile it. Oh. Blueprint. Which one did you do? Did you just do blueprint class? Or...
Atom. Blueprint
What?
Atom, it looks like. Look, he made an atom.
See, that's it.
Blueprint class,
Wait,
and then atom. Oh, sorry, actor.
actor. That's what he did.
Yep.
It's, what did he name it? He did a damage actor. It was. Right. What did he do here? Got it. So he did a cube and a Alright, let's. Component. There we go. That's what I want. Alright, there we go.
Do you remember what Cronin taught us the first time
Nope.
we ever did Unreal? To
Not at all.
dock to dock your blueprints with your map.
It's not about that.
Now we don't have to go scrolling through all the windows.
Do that. Look, I forgot about that, and I forget how to do that. Alright.
Do it like how
Oh,
you would in Chrome.
Uh,
There you go.
oh, it's that. That one. Alright, we'll do it this way. Not 100.
You want to make it 10. Or 10%.
10 it said.
Oh. Be right back.
And this should work. Compile. Take that, put that here. Do this. No, do this. Play. There we go. And you can jump over it. There should be a check there at least later, if there's a thing on the ground. So that works. Right? Alright, let's see what else. What he does next. I'm just gonna save it all real quick, alright? Right. Alright, there we go. The one thing I hate messing with is the player support, because if I mess something up there, it may mess up. Oh. What did I do here? I didn't even... What? Alright. Do it this way. Blueprint class. Player controller, what does he name his? Call it player controller. Got it. That's definitely not how you spell controller. Controller. That's just slightly stupid. Tristan, you still there? Tristan? Send me a text. To see if he's still there. Hey. You are. Got it. Alright, play controller. That. Jesus, a lot going back and forth. So.
I am back.
Oh, you left and I didn't even know. Trying to talk to you.
Oh, sorry.
Player camera manager. Got it. I was like, are you there still? Like, oh. No. Wait.
Music's kind of loud.
Who, me?
Music.
Oh.
I have music in the background, but not the chill block, because I'm pretty sure that's copyrighted.
Yeah. Player camera manager.
Melky Deb, thank you for waiting with 48 people. That's awesome. Currently eating. This is Cameron's screen.
Yes. I spoke. How do
He's
I?
trying to make a health bow And we have not done Unreal in 3 years.
It's been a while.
It's been a long time. That's why we are gonna be watching tutorials.
And learning how to spell English.
I'll show them what I was doing.
What were you? What?
So we're very, very early stage. I'm working on the animating for idle, and then the jump, and then the walk and run. Then I'm gonna make a blend space. But do that when I'm done eating. Hope you guys are having a good time. Drops? I don't have drops.
Alright. What else? Next part.
I think when you turn off your mic, it starts to produce some noise. Yep. It has a little click to let me know that it's off. Oh, you mean when it is off, it produces some noise? It's weird, considering that it's off.
Oh. Stop it. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to install anything. Last time that happened, everything broke on me and I had to reinstall everything out.
What part are you in?
Me?
Of
Respawn.
health.
Respawn system, apparently.
We're doing respawn system already? I thought we were just doing
that was part of
damaging
it.
and
It's health damage
Sure.
and respawn tutorial.
hitting them with the three.
whenever it goes, yeah, it's just gonna hit us with all three of them.
Sure.
In this tutorial, like 90 minutes. This part
Alright.
is like the respawn is apparently the longest compared to oh, we're using code with inheritance and the built. This is UE4 built-in damage interface.
I don't know if we need that, but
I'm just gonna keep going.
because the damage interface, we're in a 2D game, not a 3D, so I don't know how that's gonna play out.
Yeah.
And I guess you could just see how he did it and then
He said
incorporate
it works.
the
He said it
vector
works for.
to.
He said it works for everything, basically. This will, like everything that I'm doing up until that point, probably.
Okay, okay.
We'll figure it out.
Have you set up a UI system yet, or not yet?
I have not. No. Blueprint this, blueprint that, yada yada yada. Yeah. Here. WBP, you died. Alright. User interface, widget. That's dead. You dead, not died. You died.
I probably should have made a.
Alright, so basically this is just doing everything, like small stuff that we can go back and change afterwards anyway, which is awesome.
Yeah. See if I remember how to do this. There's I remember
What?
this. I'm currently helping you out with making a widget. I know there's a way to do it the canvas page, I need to make it so that way it's adjustable to the size of the screen. Because if someone comes in with a square computer for whatever reason, then it's shit. Oh god, do I remember to do that? I think it was like right there. I don't have access to it anymore. Ah, here we go. It's like anchors. That's how you do it.
Wait, did I just figure it out for you?
Nope, that was me.
Oh, the anchors?
All me.
After I just did it.
Wait, you're doing it?
Are you not looking at my
Well,
screen?
fuck you. All right. You can do it. Where did you save it though? Because I kind of made a space for it.
I don't want to talk about it.
I already put it's in content, UI widgets, and health.
That's not it.
Okay. Make sure you set the anchor. Very top. Bottom right. Oh.
Wait, where was the thing? Where is it? Oh, it's in the appearance. Got it.
Wait,
What? Tristan?
you didn't select the right one on the anchor.
Alright, where do you... Where am I select?
Go to the anchor, bottom right, yes. So basically what that means is that in relation to their resolution, this is where whatever you have is going to be. So if you put it on top left, it'll be on top left, no matter what their resolution is.
Yeah. That's where it was. The drop down tab. I'm stupid. Oh my god. Let's gonna do 100. There we go. We're just gonna pile it. Alright. Great widgets. Paul. You died.
And that's the first time I've been rated, and so many years. Last time I was playing Kerbal Space Program, and I was streaming it for whatever reason. Not the time I played with Laney, but that was like 5 years ago, or 6 years ago. I don't remember. It was before I did anything on my YouTube channel, and I was only Twitch.
What am I missing here?
How? Oh, does he not explain it?
I've just been going along with it.
The blue blip. How does he like control where that goes? Like makes anchor points. See it?
He doesn't explain that.
Okay.
I
I
don't
remember knowing how to do that. I just don't remember
I
how to
remember-
do it.
I remember it too. Alright. That's how we did it. Jeez, I feel stupid for that. Hey, autosave. Isn't it like, That's not it. I don't remember how to do it.
I won't worry about it.
Did it kick me out of the session at one point?
Oh no.
As I was doing all of this? Oh, there's no session. Not looking for one. That's great.
Hang on.
Uh,
Session's up. Server's still up.
yeah, I know, but I'm not in it. That's the problem. Oh my god.
What?
Give me a sec. It's not even like popping it up or anything. So we're just gonna.
I don't know how
that
much
again.
progress you lost.
You know what, Chris? We're gonna check. How about that?
I don't even see your thing in here.
I know. Watch this. I wasn't even in it at all. It just like failed to load. Yeah, I know. There's the session.
Sets Golo BP blueprints. Okay.
It's loading right now.
Some of the stuff is here. Not all of it though.
That's good. That's good. Some of it's there. Am I still a little angry about that?
Be right back.
We're just waiting for it to load now.